Friends, as you must have recognized by looking at the thumbnail, today we are going to talk about Fiverr, and we'll also tell you in which 5 ways you can earn good money from Fiverr. So let's start the video without any delay. But before that, if you have not liked the video yet, then please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Friends, you know that Fiverr is world's largest marketplace from where anyone, child or old age 18 plus can earn money sitting at home. Without doing much hard work, the new website lets you sell almost anything for $5. But can Fiverr sellers really make a lot of money from the website at this point? The answer is yes, possible. It really depends on what you're selling and how you're displaying it. Today this video features 5 Fiverr tips for traders who want to get the most out of the Fiverr experience. Number 1, time is money. You can easily make thousands of dollars a day from Fiverr, but with your mind. Remember that buyers on Fiverr only pay $5 per show, and after fees, your income is just under $4. Whether you decide to launch a product or service, you need to make sure the time invested is worth the money. If the performance you provide takes you an hour, then you are actually working at a cost of $4 an hour. This makes us second in the list of hot Fiverr tips. Number 2, work smart. Many shows on Fiverr are service-based and time-limited, which makes sense from a seller's point of view. From 15-minute telephone consultations or answers to specific questions to telegrams and letters singing Santa Claus, savvy Fiverr salespeople know how to make the most of the performances they give. This leads us to the third of our Fiverr technique. Number 3, resale. The most successful sellers on Fiverr have mastered the concept of gig resale. By providing the same service multiple times, sellers can arrange more shows and more money in their day. If each gig takes you 15 minutes, how many gigs can you schedule in a day? Or you can create a product to resell and get paid multiple times for the same task. Fiverr currently sells reports, worksheets, recipes, special diet plans, etc. This brings us to the last 2 items on the list. Number 4, adjust the performance. The first step to getting gigs on Fiverr is getting people to click on your listing. This is where the title and image of your choice come into play. You want something creative enough to stand out, but not too far out that people think you can't achieve it for just $5. Once a potential buyer clicks on your gig, your description and feedback are required to complete the transaction. Customize your title and description and run multiple versions of the list. You can see which versions have the most buyers and then use the best ones for future offers. Number 5, Fiverr performance video. Another great way to make your performance stand out is to upload a video. You can create videos of yourself or others describing the details of the performance or other content related to your work. Fiverr videos allow you to be creative and connect with potential buyers on a more personal level. These Fiverr tips are great for getting started with the site, but your long-term success depends on you to really succeed on Fiverr. You need to generate great feedback by delivering high-quality performance and on-time delivery. Once you've built a reliable reputation in gigs, your business will grow. So friends, please tell us by commenting how you like this opportunity. If you liked the video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel.